tones for southern Lake. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Lake County in northeastern Illinois until 8:30 p.m. Warning for northeastern Lake County and severe thunderstorm was located over Denise, moving at 25 miles per hour. A severe thunderstorm was 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waukegan, North Chicago, Dorney, Mundelein, Zion, Grave Lake, Libertyville, Antioch, Lindenhurst, Beach Park, Gages Lake, Park City, Winthrop Harbor, Lake Bluff, Grandwood Park, Green Oaks, Wadsworth, Venetian Village, Third Lake, Old Mill Creek, and Russell. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. for northeastern Illinois. This is NOAA's Weather Radio,